Hello everybody! Minasan konnichiwa! Today we will prepare Japanese onigiri. Here's how to make Japanese onigiri. Ingredients: 2 cups of uncooked rice, 3 cups of water, dry seaweeds, mayonnaise optional, fried egg optional. First step, wash rice until water runs clear. Combine washed rice and 3 cups of water in a pan. Bring to boil in rice cooker. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes to be cooked. Second step, prepare scrambled egg. You can fry it or use microwave for 1 minute. Step 3. Now it's time to prepare and make Japanese onigiri. Place it in a table and all of the cooked ingredients and utensils that we need. Fourth step, put cooked rice in a plate with clean plastic to form a shape. Fifth step, place cooked egg on top of rice and add some mayonnaise and spread it as well. Sixth step, set aside the rice with egg. Seventh step, make another flat compressed rice in a plate, then put it on top of the first rice with egg. Slowly compress it again to form a triangle shape. Eighth step, place a dry nori or dry seaweed on the base of a triangular rice. And here's the finished product of our Japanese onigiri. Thank you for watching. Arigato!